Question number 8 is, if A equal to B upon 2 equal to C upon 5, then what is A ratio B ratio C? And these are the options given. Now, we know that if A upon A equal to B upon B equal to C upon C, then A ratio B ratio C is given by A ratio B ratio C. Now accordingly, we have been given here as A upon 1 equal to B upon 2 equal to C upon 5. Therefore, what will be the ratio A ratio B ratio C? A ratio B ratio C will be equal to 1 is to 2 is to 5. Whatever are the written in the denominator will be the ratio. A1 ratio 2, 1 ratio 5. And which is the option? Here option D is correct. None of these. Now we will see the next problem. Question number 9 is, if A upon 3 equal to B upon 4 equal to C upon 7, then A plus B plus C upon C is 1, 3, 2, none of these. See, if we take here A as 3, then B can be taken as 4 and C can be taken as 7. And these values, if I directly put here, then A plus B plus C will be 3 plus 4 plus 7 upon value of C I am taking as 7. This comes to be 14 upon 7, which is 2. So the option C is correct. Answer is 2. Now we will understand the theory behind it. See, if I take this ratio as lambda, then A upon 3 equal to B upon 4 equal to C upon 7 I am taking as lambda. Each ratio I am taking as lambda. This gives me, when I cross multiply, A is equal to 3 lambda. Similarly, B can be taken as 4 into lambda and C can be taken as 7 into lambda. A is equal to 3 lambda, B equal to 4 lambda and C equal to 7 lambda. These values are put here. So what we do, A we write 3 lambda, B I write 4 lambda, C I write 7 lambda. This upon 7 lambda, which gives me 14 lambda upon 7 lambda. Lambdas are cancelled. 14 upon 7 is 2. So the answer of A plus B plus C upon C is 2. So instead of taking lambda here, we directly in objective questions take A as 3, B as 4 and C as 7. Whatever are the written here in the denominator, we directly take that value. And that we put when here 3 plus 4 plus 7 upon 7 gives us answer as 2. So our option C is correct. Now we will see the next problem. Question 10 is, if P upon Q is equal to R upon S is equal to 2.5 upon 1.5, the value of PS ratio QR is, and these are the options given to us. See, when P upon Q is equal to R upon S, then if we cross multiply PS upon Q into R equal to 1, and this is the ratio which is required. So PS ratio QR is 1, our option is B. Now whatever be the values here, this ratio PS upon QR will always be 1. Another way of attempting this question is that instead of P I should write 2.5 and instead of Q I should write 1.5. So, and also for R I will be writing 1.5, for S I will be writing 1.5. So P I am writing 2 2.5 into S I am writing 1.5 upon Q I am writing 1.5 and R I am writing 2.5. This will be the ratio. So 2.5 and 2.5 are cancelled, 1.5 and 1.5 are cancelled. This gives me 1. So in this question, it is immaterial what are these values, because PS upon QR will always be equal to 1 in this case, and hence our option B is correct. Now we will see the next problem. Question number 11 is that if X ratio Y is equal to Z ratio W is equal to 2.5 ratio 1.5, then the value of X plus Z upon Y plus W is, and these are the options given to us. Now we have been given that X upon Y is equal to Z upon W is equal to 2.5 upon 1.5. This we have been given, and we are to find X plus Z upon Y plus W. In that case, what we do is that in place of X we write 2.5, in place of Z we write 2.5, Y is written as 1.5, W is written as 1.5. Now X when written as 2.5 means whatever is written in front of X is 2.5. So here we write 2.5 plus Z again we write 2.5, Y we write 1.5 and W we write 1.5. This is equal to 5, 2.5 and 2.5 is 5, 1.5 plus 1.5 is 3. We get 5 upon 3, which is our ratio, which is our option C. Hence, the option C is correct. Now, why we have done it, we will see and we will understand the concept behind it. See, we have been given as X upon Y is equal to 2.5 upon 1.5. This means that X upon 2.5 is equal to Y upon 1.5, and we assume it as lambda. Let each ratio is equal to lambda, means X can be written as 2.5 lambda and Y can be written as 1.5 lambda. By cross multiplication, X will be equal to 2.5 into lambda, so 2.5 lambda, and Y can be written as 1.5 lambda. Similarly, if Z upon W is 2.5 upon 1.5, which again gives us, means Z can be written as 2.5 lambda and W can be written as 1.5 lambda. Now, if we put these values in X plus Z upon Y plus W, then we get 2.5 lambda plus Z is 2.5 lambda upon Y is 1.5 lambda plus W is 1.5 lambda. This means 5 lambda upon 3 lambda. Lambda and lambda are cancelled, which gives us 5 upon 3. Hence, our option C is correct. Now, the next question is, if 5x minus 3y upon 5y minus 3x is equal to 3 upon 4, find the value of x upon y. Now, we have been given here 5x minus 3y upon 5y minus 3x is equal to 3 upon 4. And we are to find x ratio y, that is x upon y. Now, if we cross multiply, we get, this implies, now 4 will be multiplied by 5x minus 3y, which gives us 20x minus 12y is equal to, now 3 will be multiplied by 5y minus 3x. This gives us 15y minus 9x. By cross multiplication, we get this equation. Now, If we transpose, x will come on one side, y will go on another side. Now this gives us 20x plus 9x is equal to 15y plus 12y. This 12y of minus will go on right hand side, will become of plus. Minus of 9x will come here on left hand side, will become plus 9x. Simplify. This gives us 29x is equal to 27y, and this gives us x upon y is equal to 27 upon 29. Y will come here on left hand side by cross multiplication. 29 will go on right hand side in cross multiplication. So this gives us 27 upon 29 as value of x ratio y. So here the option D is correct, none of these. Now we will see the next problem.